Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about today because we are finally doing my Beautylish lucky bag unboxing. I've been doing this video for 3 years, so this is my third lucky bag and I'm so excited. But really quick before we get started, if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then we do mail hauls every single Monday. Also, don't forget to click the bell notification down below as well, so that way you're notified as soon as my videos go live. I have a lot of really fun stuff coming up for you guys, as well as some really awesome giveaways. So let's go ahead and get started because I'm excited to open this box. Okay, so if you guys haven't heard about the lucky bag, you are seriously missing out. It's something that Beautylish does every year around New Year's. So Beautylish was inspired from a Japanese New Year's tradition, and they have been doing these lucky bags. I've purchased one for the past 3 years. I'm not exactly sure how long they have been doing them for, but basically what you do is you pay $75 and you're going to get a goodie bag full of at least $150 worth of products. They also have an extra large version that is $150 and you get either $300 or $350 in products. Unfortunately, by the time that I got on the site this year, the XL bag was sold out, so I went ahead and just picked up a regular lucky bag. But either way, it's such a really awesome thing that Beautylish does, because you know, they are really kind of coming out of pocket doing this, because they're giving us all this product and we're paying like at least half of the amount, if not even less, because some bags are luckier than others. There's a hashtag that they use. I think it's a lucky bag 2018, something like that. But I always love looking through the hashtags. People trade their items. It's just really fun. It's something that I love doing, and I think it's really awesome, again, that Beautylish does that. They're such an awesome site and they have really great customer service. So if you guys haven't checked it out, it comes around one time a year, so it will be next year after Christmas is whenever you can sign up for it. But yeah, I'm excited to unbox this. I have not opened it up because I wanted to wait and open it up with you guys. I've gotten really lucky the past 2 years. I mean, I got stuff from Natasha and Nona both years, Charlotte Tilbury, Wayne Goss. I mean, the list goes on and on. So I'm excited to see what's in my box this year. Okay, let's get started. So here's what the packaging looks like when you open it. Looks just like that. And again, the one that I got was $75. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is, but like this is kind of heavy. It's kind of heavy because I think it has all my products in here. Okay, let's see what I got. And I'm gonna be counting up how much my bag's worth too. I need to go grab my phone. Be right back. Okay, so the first thing we have is from Indie Lee, and this is a toner. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I looked it up on the Beautylish site and it is worth $32, and it has almost a complete 5-star review, so I'm excited to try this out. I don't have like a ton of toners. I use the Belief one all the time. Oh my gosh, I cannot get this open. Got it open. I feel like it smells good. Oh, it's in like a nice glass bottle. So here's what that looks like. Let me smell it. No, it doesn't really have like a super strong fragrance, but yeah. So there's that, and again, that is the Indie Lee toner for $32. The next thing we have, ooh, this is a Stila Glitter and Glow eyeliner in the color Molten Midnight, and I do not have this shade. Ooh, I have always wanted this color because it's like a black shade, so especially on like a smoky eye, this would look so pretty. Oh my gosh, look how freaking gorgeous this is. And I think this is like $30-some. Let me see. Okay, just kidding, it's $24. Okay, so I'm gonna add this to the bag. So right now I only paid $75 for the bag, and it's already at $56. And I'm excited. I don't have either one of these products. Okay, next thing we have, ooh, this is an expensive one. Okay, this is the Kevin Aquan, the Celestial Skin Liquid Lighting. And this is a liquid highlighter. I actually own this, but I would love to put this in my kit. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is expensive. I think it's around $50. Let me look it up. And I'm going to swatch it for you guys too. Yep. So this is $52, and I didn't know that it actually came in 3 shades. So the shade that I have is, it doesn't show the shade. Okay, so I'm not sure exactly what shade it is. Oh, this is in Candlelight, just kidding. Okay, so let me remove this and show you guys. So it's like a liquid highlighter, but it's so, so pretty. I don't know if Candlelight's the one that I have. Oh, okay. So as you can see, it's a very liquidy, but it just gives your skin this like beautiful, healthy glow. You can either put it on like as a primer, or you can like mix it into your foundation, or just wear it by itself. I mean, look how much prettier that makes this side of my hand look. Excuse my wristband tan from when we went out of town. So yeah, very excited about this. Oh my gosh, this makes the bag already so worth it. It's already over $100. Okay, next thing. Oh, a Wayne Goss brush. Oh my gosh, and it's an eyeshadow brush too. I love Wayne Goss brushes. Okay, let me see if I can pull this out. So this is the Wayne Goss number 16. If you guys haven't tried Wayne Goss brushes, oh my gosh, they are so amazing. They're super, super soft. Here is what the brush looks like, and this is going to be a really good like blending brush. It's really nice and tapered. So here's what it looks like. And I don't have any of the white-haired Wayne Goss brushes. I have all of the old style brushes, I guess is what you'd say. So let's look that up. Oh, okay. So this is a large eyeshadow crease brush, and it's actually $30 is the retail price on it. So right now, let's see here. My bag's at $138. So we're almost at the $150 mark. Let's see what's next. Ooh, okay, this is from The Ordinary, and this is a silicone primer. I love The Ordinary. I've tried a few things from this brand. So it says use as the last step in skincare regimen, either on its own or as a makeup primer. So this will be good for in the morning. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's what it looks like right there. Now this I'm pretty sure is pretty inexpensive, but let's look it up and see. And look how pretty that is on my hand. I cannot get over how gorgeous it is. Okay, so the primer retails for $4.90. Okay, and then I think this is the last item. Oh my gosh, it's a little Viscar palette. Okay, let's open it up and see which one it is. I cannot believe out of everything that there was only one product that I didn't already have. That makes me really excited because sometimes you just never really know what you're gonna get. Okay, so, ooh, this is the cashmere one. Oh my gosh, I have wanted this. So here's what it looks like. It's the little Viscar Theory palette. So let's swatch this. Let me take off what's already on my hand. So here's a close-up of what it looks like. And then it has 3 matte shades, and they're very pretty matte shades too. Look how pigmented they are. I love Viscar or Viscar, whatever, however you pronounce it. I have their big palette that they just recently came out with, and it's so pretty. So there, those 3 shades right there. Oh my gosh, the shimmers are so freaking creamy. So there, those 3. Look how gorgeous. And this is also really nice. Oh, that would be so stunning as a brow bone highlight too. So would that. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. So there, all those. I cannot get over how pretty this shade is right here. Ooh, all right. So there is that right there. And then let's add up how much my bag was worth with that on there. Oh my gosh, that palette's $45. Okay, so again, I paid $75 for the bag, and then a total with 6 different makeup items. My bag equaled up to $187. So I even got over the $150 price tag. I personally am really happy with my lucky bag this year. I mean, I think it's so crazy. You know, I'm a makeup junkie. I buy a lot of makeup, and I am really fortunate enough with my channel that I have been getting sent makeup, and I cannot believe that all the stuff that I got, there was only one item that I didn't have already, and I'm really excited to put it in my makeup kit. But let me know down below what you guys got. Let me know if you plan on getting this next year, what your favorite products were, and definitely check out that hashtag. I think it's so fun. And if for some reason you're disappointed in any of the items you got this year, like I said, you can always trade with people, which makes it really fun. That's how I got my first By Terry Sun Designer palette, was from a trade last year from my lucky bag. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.